Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to turn off manually select tags on your Instagram profile on Android. If you're someone who wants to turn off the feature that allows you to manually approve tags before they appear on your Instagram profile, then this tutorial is for you. In this video, we'll take you through the simple steps to turn off manually select tags on your Instagram profile on Android. First, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile. This will take you to your Instagram profile page. Next, tap the 3 stacked dashes at the top of the screen. This will open up a drop-down menu with a few different options. From here, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings menu where you can configure various Instagram settings. Now, tap Privacy. This option will allow you to control who can see your posts and tags. Next, choose Posts. This will allow you to manage the posts that appear on your Instagram profile. Finally, turn off Manually Approved Tags. This option will turn off the feature that allows you to manually approve tags before they appear on your Instagram profile. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to turn off manually select tags on your Instagram profile on Android. It's important to note that by turning off this feature, you'll no longer be able to manually approve tags before they appear on your Instagram profile. Any tags that are added to your posts will automatically appear on your profile. By following these easy steps, you can ensure that your Instagram profile accurately represents you and your brand. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.